Hi guys, so this is part 2. Now I'm gonna show you their drawings. So first up is Gia.
No, I didn't.
I didn't take it. Okay, who's first?
Lover, if you like.
Okay, Keisha is gonna be first. So this is her drawing.
And Kiana.
That's you and Kiana. Yeah. And the TV. Okay. Who's next?
Me.
Okay,
Gian's drawing
Gia.
so nice.
Carol's next. Give me your drawing. Okay, so Carol's drawing is also a TV, a Hello Kitty TV. Good, okay, I guess. Dot, dot, dot. And, girl.
Hinduto, gusi. Ang Gian, ti.
And this is chibi. Wow. Okay, so this is Carol's drawing. Okay, next is Gian's. Flower. If you like this, comment this emoji. Wait. If you like this, comment this emoji. This. Okay.
Villager.
Okay, we're gonna play villager.
My first.
You guys
Who
pick
first?
This and this.
Haha.
Yours. Okay, let me just.
Charge and tab.
Bro, make sure you guys.
Hoy, talikod sa mo tanan. Talikod mo. Talikod sa. Ayun tan. Oh.
This is mine. This is mine. It's mine. Guys, I am killer.
Let's
So,
play.
wait.
Ayaw dyan ba? Muna?
Yep.
Okay. You're
Okay, play.
fine.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
How? Bro!
I know.
Wait, did you look?
No.